Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately on a full quality copy of the image. Do not edit the original. Open a deblurring tool that supports deconvolution or shake reduction. Examine the blur. Is it linear, rotational, or soft focus? Once you identify direction and length, set a coarse motion kernel or enable automatic kernel estimate. Use lower strength preview so you don't over-sharpen. Make sure to work non-destructively with layers or smart objects to preserve the original data. You now refine the correction. Tweak the kernel angle and length gradually, then adjust regularization to reduce ringing. When artifacts appear, switch to masked corrections that protect eyes, skin, and specular highlights. Use multi-scale sharpening or frequency separation to restore texture without boosting noise. Apply stronger correction on mid-frequency details and gentler on low-frequency areas. Once done, compare before and after with a layer blend to ensure the result remains natural and consistent across tones. You finish by denoising lightly, adding subtle micro-contrast, and applying final selective sharpening to eyes and edges. Export at full resolution and inspect at 100% to verify there are no ringing halos or unnatural textures. If you encounter persistent halos or ghosting, reduce the kernel strength, increase regularization, or use a healing brush on localized artifacts. Lastly, save a layered file and a flattened export so you can revisit adjustments without losing previous work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.